Welcome to Whitlock Garage, where we're united by trucks. Today, we're dropping in a little bit of bonus footage on Ryan's Hot Rods, Stepside, Blue, 3.2 barrels, small block, best Stepside at Southeastern Truck Nationals 2019. In an attempt to bring you guys some more footage from these shows, especially when we can't get around and film all these trucks, we were actually able to film Ryan's truck in an unconventional way. He pulled up at the gas pump next to us as we were heading out of town, so we were able to film that truck right there on the spot. So we got some good footage of this truck right there at the gas pump. I hope you enjoy. We're gonna jump right into it right now. Real quick, we got UBT graffiti truck tees on the website. I'll drop a photo here what they look like right now. They're selling out really fast. We put them up in limited quantities, so go check them out at unitedbytrucks.com. Also got the graffiti truck stickers posted there, so definitely grab a couple of those when you grab a shirt. Appreciate you guys. Checking out the truck. They got best Stepside at Southeastern Truck Nationals. Look at under the hood of this thing. 3.2 barrels, man. Small block AC.
I like that pinstripe.
My goodness. Power steering, power disc brakes.
Yeah, I got a little on this one that was on it when I got it.
Really clean. Static dropped. American Racing soft flats. Beautiful truck. Killer interior. Got a little houndstooth on the interior. Got his buddy riding in there with him. Long hauler on 2019 Power Tour. Man, that thing's killer. All right, guys, so I know that was a really short clip, but that gives you a good idea of what it takes to win Best Stepside. Big thanks to Ryan up in Virginia from Ryan's Hot Rods for letting us film that truck really quickly at the gas pump. Thing's got a cool motor, really cool static drop suspension, and just a really cool color. So really glad it won Best Stepside. Congrats again, Ryan. Stay tuned for another episode of Whitlock Garage. We're gonna continue to do these little 60-second sort of short clips as we get some bonus footage when we're at shows and things like that. So we'll continue to drop those in. Definitely like this video, share it if you do. Subscribe to the channel, like the video by clicking the thumbs up below the screen, and leave a comment. Let Ryan know what you think about his awesome Stepside. Cue the music.